Slowly kisses passing by the river.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ankita and I review, experiment and try out different things and let you know whether they rock or sucks. So today I'm gonna be doing something different from what I do usually, but it is not that different because today I'll be reviewing two, but today's video is basically a first impression video on a recently aired K-drama, Love, Feet, Marriage and Divorce. It has aired on 23rd and 24th January 2021. Their first two episodes and they are available on the Netflix, so yeah, you can watch it from there. So I have also reacted to the trailer of this Korean drama. You can check it out if you haven't watched it yet. I'll give the link in the description down below or somewhere here or here or whatever it is. You can check it out from the link I'll be giving in the description box below. So yeah, let's get into the first impression video. Love, Feet, Marriage and Divorce depicts the story of three independent and confident women working at a radio station who are content with their job as well as their marital life. But soon we see that their euphoria is interrupted when their basic foundation of their marriage gets into question. In the first two episodes of this Korean drama, we see three married couples in their 30s, 40s and 50s leads a very successful and happy married life. But wait, is it so? Sometimes a seemingly insignificant event leads to a great loss. And the series exactly showcasing all the events that leads to the collapse even the strongest of bonds. Due to the negligence within the relationship, the three couples find it difficult to put up with their respective each other. Writers have excellently penned down the realistic view on the infidelity and multi-dimensional aspects of the institution of marriage. The series exhibits the stance on the institution of marriage that society holds and how it affects the individuals related to it altogether. It also sheds some light on the frame of mind that people have towards other individuals who have committed adultery. It would be very interesting to see how these three women from different stages of life vanquishes their phase of distrust and adultery. With a wonderful cinematography, beautiful and colorful visuals, with a great and experienced cast, with a pragmatic view in the plot line, this Korean drama, according to my analysis, would rock. That's it for the first impression on Love, Feet, Marriage and Divorce. Comment down below what are your thoughts regarding this Korean drama. Stay tuned for more first impression or review on Korean dramas. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then it is the right time to do it now, along with the bell icon, so that every time I upload a video you get notification on it. Till then, take care. Bye.